Welcome to the 8 Brocades Qigong flow. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Just taking a moment to really ground the energy, feeling rooted and centered. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. Then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. And then from here, circle the arms in front, rounding out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, floating up to shoulder height, and then switching sides. From here, one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. This time you can do it all together, draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And if you like, you can do a side bend, just easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And then from here, we'll round out in front, once again, hugging the tree, breathing in, the arms open, breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, facing the body, right at the waist. And then as you breathe in, rotating towards one side, the hands open. Coming back to center, the palms face towards the body. Then as you rotate, the palms face away. The wise owl looks behind. It's a gentle rotation, loosening up the spine. One more time, the wise owl looks behind. And then from here, the hands float down, they circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the hands come down to the waist, right on the hips, and then softening down. And then the head tips over to the side, comes forward, all the way around, and then back up. We'll go around the other side, coming down, forward, and all the way up, and then rising up. We'll do one more round. We call this wagging the tail. So softening the head to the side, coming forward, all the way to the other side, and back up, and then reversing direction once more. Wagging the tail. And then rising back up, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here, the hands float down the back, right down the backs of the legs, all the way down, then the hands come forward, coming all the way up and over, and then back down the back. Sliding down, coming forward, bending the knees, and then rising back up. Strengthening the legs, stretching the arms, brushing the earth and sky. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, brushing earth and sky. Then the arms float down by the sides. The hands Making 2 loose fists, draw them right into the hips. Step 1 foot out a little bit wider, and then soften down. From here, this hand here is gonna punch forward. And the hand opens, so for gathering in energy, bring it into the hip, and then rise up. And then soften back down. The other fist comes forward as we punch with 2 fists. Draw back in, rise up, soften down, punch forward, gather back in, rising up. One more time, punching 2 fists. And then from here, the arms float down, they circle in front, hugging the tree. Step 1 foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, the arms open wide, they float down. And then from here, you can rise up on the balls of your feet. The arms float out to the side, and then drop down, letting your heels shake the body. Coming back up, rising up. You can use your arms for balance, and then drop down. Call this bouncing on the toes for immunity. It's thought to help to drive away all illnesses. Breathing in, dropping down one more time. Bouncing on the toes. And then from here, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Breathing in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. From here, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. Your next step is to download your free monthly clickable calendar with daily Tai Chi and Qigong videos. Just click the first link in the video description below to download your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you in the next video.